Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host for the evening, Anubhav Bhosle.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks very much for joining us on this special evening. CNN-IBN, in partnership with Reliance Industries, is presenting Real Heroes. We are in our fourth year commemorating citizen power, ladies and gentlemen, and this journey has been both enlightening and inspiring for each one of us. Tonight, 26 men and women from across the length and breadth of this country will be our real heroes. Let me now call on the editor-in-chief of the IBN 18 network, Rajdeep Sardesai, to take this evening forward. Rajdeep.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The Real Heroes concept is very special to all of us at CNN-IBN and the IBN 18 network. Out of all the events we do, out of all the stories in a sense we do, this is really special because what we've tried to do is really call to our being, we hope, as people in the news media. Try and use the media to become an agent of positive change. To show that in all the doom and gloom that lies around us, that there are people, anonymous Indians, ordinary Indians you might call them, but truly doing extraordinary things and making this a better India to live in. Just have a look at just what the idea of Real Heroes has been in the last 3 years.
They are the ones who are selflessly working to ensure a more humane world. Bold, committed heroes who never gave up against the adversities. Fighting for social justice, opportunity and equality for others. And helping the underprivileged achieve their full potential. Offering a heartfelt tribute to those who serve humanity and symbolize selfless determination. CNN-IBN and Reliance Industries Limited join hands once again to present the Real Heroes of India. Now in its fourth year, this award is a path-breaking initiative that honors the unsung heroes of India. Saluting the extraordinary service of ordinary people across a range of diverse fields, women's welfare to social welfare, environment to health and disability, education and children to youth, and sports. These are the outstanding selfless individuals.
बहुत तकलीफ से, लेकिन पीछे नहीं हटे हैं.
I'm trying to do something more meaningful and more useful for others.
Who inspire us with their dedication and sacrifice.
मानवता के लिए अगर कोई भी संकल्प कोई भी करे तो पूर्ण होता है.
प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए मुझे, जहां मैं ये कह सकूं कि जी हाँ मैं रेड लाइट एरिया की बेटी हूं.
And are transforming our world into a better living place.
I want people across the globe not only to replicate but to copy it also. Do it.
I may not be successful in my lifetime, but this is my vision.
Saluting the extraordinary will of these unsung heroes of India. Reliance Industries presents Real Heroes. Ordinary people, extraordinary service.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I please welcome a driving force in this initiative, chairperson of the Reliance Foundation, Neeta Ambani, to join us on stage.
Good evening and a warm welcome to all of you. This is the fourth year that Reliance, Rajdeep and CNN-IBN team have made this day possible. Friends, Mukesh keeps talking about India needing unique developmental models to achieve its true potential. Our real heroes have demonstrated time and again how this can be achieved at the grassroots level. Our real heroes make us proud Indians. They give us the strength to impact the lives of others. They represent the noble spirit of service and sacrifice. We salute you, our real heroes. Let us awaken the real hero in each one of us, as ourselves tonight, in living true moments of extreme compassion, passion, and triumph. Finally, my real hero friends, we draw our eternal strength from you. The whole nation stands behind you. By honoring you this evening, we honor ourselves. Thank you.
Let me start this evening. Let me call on our first guest of honor. We are very privileged to have between us Asha Bhosle. Ma'am, can I please have you on stage to give away the awards in the first category of Women's Welfare. Asha, ladies and gentlemen, our first real hero this evening. May I please call on stage Amir B. Sikandar Sheikh.
Amir B. Sikandar Sheikh. In Songlei's red light area, Amir B. Sheikh's makeshift school is changing the lives of these sex workers and their children through education. And they don't just learn alphabets and numbers, but also the essentials of their trade.
सेक्स करना मामूली बात, जिंदगी भर सजा भोगना बहुत है। तेरे घर में फैमिली है, उसका भी थोड़ा सोचो।
Education has given these women of Songlei the confidence to go out and face the world.
अगर मैं आपको हिंदी में पूछूं, इतने सालों में आपकी सबसे बड़ी जो आपके सामने जो कठिनाई हुई वो क्या थी और किस तरह से आपने उसको ओवरकम करके आगे बढ़े?
हमको पुलिस वाले का गुंड लोगों का दादागिरी करते थे। हिंदी ज्यादा नहीं आती तो भी थोड़ा थोड़ा बता रही हूँ। मैं हिंदू हूँ, मुस्लिम नहीं हूँ। मेरा नाम बंदावा करके है। मेरे पति ने मेरे को दूसरा नाम, नया नाम दिया। मैं सेक्स वर्कर हूं। प्यार से मेरा पति सिकंदर शेख नाम रखा है। मेरे को ज्यादा कुछ बोलने के लिए बहुत तकलीफ हुई है हमको, लेकिन हम लोग ऐसा ही हमेशा, कितना भी तकलीफ आने दो, हम ऐसा ही काम करते रहेंगे। सेक्स वर्कर हम हैं, अच्छे इसके आगे नहीं होंगे, ये मैं तुम लोग को वादा करती हूँ।
Ladies and gentlemen, our second real hero is Grace Nirmala. Can we have you on stage, please?
Malela Grace Nirmala. The Jogini tradition in Andhra Pradesh is a cruel one. Poor Dalit girls are forcefully married off to the village deity and sexually abused by the men in the village. Grace Nirmala is a savior for these girls. She runs a home called Ashray for rescued Joginis and their children. Today, at her home, Ashray, the girls are educated and given another chance at life.
My children are getting good marks and also they learn many things.
I'm going to ask the same question I asked Amira Bhai. What is the biggest difficulty you have faced in all these years? To come here, to be at this moment, what has been the biggest difficulty, biggest challenge for you?
Biggest challenge is, it is on religious name it is practicing. That temple system is like that. It is the very biggest challenge. All in the villages, they have superstitious beliefs. If you dedicate our daughter, our problems will solve. That is a very big issue in our area. This is a very big challenge for me to eradicate this Jogini system.
Well, you've done remarkably well. Many, many congratulations, ma'am. Please give her a very big hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ajit Singh. In very simple words, he's actually used people's power to fight trafficking of minor girls. Ajit Singh, can we have you on stage, please?
Ajit Singh.
Right from the moment when a girl is trafficked and brought into the red light area, the rate is fixed. My biggest question is how the hell we are passing by.
Ajit Singh. He's been fighting against sex trafficking of minors in Varanasi's red light area, Shivdaspur. his methods are unique. In 2009, he gathered thousands of citizens to raid brothels and rescued over 50 girls. He's fighting over 200 cases against sex traffickers, and his mission is to give a new life to every child trapped in a brothel.
अजीत सिंह जी, अगर आप बनारस में अपना काम करते हैं तो सबसे बड़ी परेशानी कहां से आती है?
देखिए, हर माँ बाप या समाज चाहता है कि भगत सिंह कोई बगल वाला बने, कोई पड़ोसी बने। क्योंकि जब मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ता था दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में, तभी मैंने रेड लाइट एरिया की महिला के 3 बच्चों को अडॉप्ट किया, और वो मेरे जीवन का सबसे डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स था। जो कि आज मुझे कई बार मेरे ऊपर पुलिस ने तो फर्जी 8-10 मुकदमे लाद रखे हैं, एज सीरियस एज रेप। तो आप समझ सकते हैं पुलिस तो पूरा मिलकर धंधा ही कराती है। और उसके अलावा जो क्रिमिनल्स ने 3-4 बार अटैक किया, यहां तक कि यूएन रिपोर्टर तक ने हमारे लिए अपील जारी किया। लेकिन अभी 1 महीने पहले पुलिस ने फिर एक फर्जी मुकदमा लाद दिया कि उनको मेरे से पीस का डर है। वो 107-16 वाली बात, जो अभी आज अन्ना के ऊपर बात हो रही थी, 107 107-16, तो आप समझ सकते हैं। लेकिन मेरी शिकायत समाज से है कि अपने बच्चों को प्रेरित करिए कि नया समाज गढ़े। अगर समाज ऐसे ही रहेगा तो मैं समझता हूं नो वन इज सेफ।
Our next real hero is Chandralekha. Can we have you on stage, please?
Chandralekha. As a daughter of Natpurva, a village where every girl is raised to be a prostitute, Chandralekha had no choice but to get into the profession.
मैं वैश्य भर्ती में मेरी माँ ने ही मुझे डाला है।
She got the villagers to send their daughters to school and even helped the girls of Natpurva get married and employed.
बहुत बड़ा परिवर्तन हुआ है यहाँ की वैश्याओं की लड़कियों की। हर साल 10-15 लड़कियों की शादी होती है। मैं तबाही की मोड़ पे खड़ी हुई हूँ। मैं चाहती हूँ कि आज मेरे बच्चे समाज सवाल करता है कि तुम्हारे बच्चों का बाप का क्या नाम है। मैं क्या नाम बताऊं, उनके बाप का क्या नाम है। मैं चाहती हूँ जो आज कल है वो आगे ना हो।
चंद्रिका जी, आखिरी सवाल, ये जो पैसे आज आपको मिल रहे हैं, एक तरह से अवार्ड मिल रहा है, इससे आप क्या करेंगी?
जी, मैं तो ये चाहती हूँ हमारे यहाँ इंटरमीडिएट का स्कूल हो और मुझे पैसे की कोई चिंता नहीं है। मैं जो भी है, मैं अपने उन तमाम महिला जो हमारे यहाँ वैसे से लिप्त महिलाएं हैं, मैं उनके लिए चाहती हूँ कोई ऐसा रोजगार खड़ा करूँ, उसमें वो महिलाएं भी, कुछ महिलाएं ऐसी हैं जो आज उनको एक धोती एक रोटी नहीं जुड़ रही है। मैं उन महिलाओं के लिए, अपने गांव की उन तमाम लड़कियों के लिए करना चाहती हूँ, चाहे इसके लिए मुझे अपनी जान तक देना पड़े। और मैं ये चंद्रलेखा मर जाएगी, आगे और चंद्रलेखा मैं तैयार करके जाऊंगी।
Our next real hero and the final real hero in this category of women's welfare is Beena Lakshmi Nepram. Can we have you on stage, please?
Beena Lakshmi Nepram. Beena Lakshmi Nepram grew up in insurgency-prone Manipur, where 20,000 men have lost their lives in the last 5 decades, leaving behind the women. In 2007, Beena Lakshmi Nepram founded the Manipur Women Gun Survivors Network, taking 80 such widows and daughters under her care, helping them financially by giving them interest-free loans to earn a living by weaving, rearing silkworms, or doing a small business. What Beena gives these women is dignity and the promise of a secure future.
Can you please hold it, Raj? It's a bit heavy for me. Mrs. Ambani, Rajdeep, the brilliant CNN-IBN team, my name is Beena Lakshmi Nepram and I am from Manipur. Even after 65 years of independence, we have in our northeast of India The Armed Forces Special Power Act, which takes our right to live, Rajdeep. It violates Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which says every Indian has a right to live. But we in Manipur, if you come to Manipur, you can be arrested, you can be tortured and killed, and even the Supreme Court will not protect you. I am a proud Indian, and I want this Black Act to go. I want every Indian in this room, in the arts field, in the cinema field, to include us people in the Northeast. A woman in the Northeast in Manipur told me how 120 rupees can transform a life. Yes, I help 120 women survivors of gun violence. But in this present-day India, we won the independence of this country without firing a single bullet. But today, 5,000 Indians are shot dead every year, 12 Indians every day. In this hotel, 50 people died in this very hotel that we are in. And we have been working with the government, our parliamentarians, to say not just in Manipur, that every Indian sitting in this room, every Indian not sitting in this room, have a right to live, not just our MPs with their Z category security. We have a right to live a secure, dignified life as Indians, whether in Manipur or in Mumbai or in another part.
Maybe people need to know that when people talk about a fast unto death, there's a woman in Manipur who's been fasting unto death for more than 10 years. And our TV cameras don't reach her.
Why not, Rajdeep? Answer that to me.
Because I fear sometimes that Imphal is a little too far and Jantar Mantar and India Gate are too close to television studios.
Beena Lakshmi Nepram, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. I think when there are women like her and Kiran Sharmila Chanu from Manipur, we don't really need to fear.
Ashatai, this is the first year you have come for these awards. मैं आपसे एक पूछना चाहता हूँ, आप गा भी सकती हैं, लेकिन अगर इनको प्रेरणा देना चाहिए आप, किस तरह से देना चाहेंगी? आपकी जिंदगी भी इनके लिए बड़ी प्रेरणा हो सकती है, क्योंकि आप भी
गा के प्रेरणा देना, मैंने बहुत गा चुकी हूँ, और जिस तरह इनकी तकलीफ और है, सब औरतों की तकलीफ मैंने देखी, मेरी भी तकलीफ थी और थी, लेकिन लड़ते रहना, किसी से भी डर के हटना नहीं, ये मैंने सीखा। और हमेशा कितनी भी मुसीबतें आई तो मैं अपना कदम हमेशा आगे बढ़ाती गई और बढ़ाती जाऊंगी जब तक खड़ी हूं तब तक। और हमारी सबसे बड़ी मुसीबत है हिंदुस्तान की कि बाजू का घर जलता हो तो आदमी सोचते बाजू का चल रहा है, अपना नहीं जल रहा है। अगर ये सोच ले कि वो घर भी अपना है, जल रहा है, उसको बुझाओ, तो सारा हिंदुस्तान सुखी हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये होता नहीं है।
ऑडियंस से पूछते हैं, if there was one line of Asha ji's song that you would like her to sing, what would it be? You can sing in Marathi. Your Marathi songs are as wonderful as your Hindi.
उषकाल होता होता काळ रात्र झाली, उषकाल होता होता काळ रात्र झाली, अरे पुन्हा आयुष्यांच्या पेटवा मशाली।
Begging is not allowed under the Indian Railways Act. Yet, they never troubled me. I am extremely grateful to them.
सब आपकी बच्चियां हैं, 60 से 60 आपकी बच्चियां हैं।
मेरियां भी हैं और आपकियां भी हैं।